guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. My house is going to be set up on Airbnb soon, if it already hasn't, and I'm going to be setting it up today. A couple videos ago, I went through all of the things that I needed to stock it with, so we're going to be taking all of those things and then going to the tiny house, and we're going to be setting up the coffee station, the toiletries in the bathroom. We're going to be putting the sheets and the bedding on the bed. We're probably also going to be putting some stuff in the cabinets to make their stay a little bit more comfortable, just in case they have to cook anything. We're going to be putting some stuff in the refrigerator. Then at the end, we're going to be putting out the welcome book and the welcome basket. Now, most of the stuff is over there already, but it's in boxes and on the floor. I had to do this after I cleaned it so that I could clear some of the space out here. I do have the sheets and the comforter in the dryer on the wrinkle setting, so we're going to get all those wrinkles out before we make the bed, but we're going to be going over there now with another load of stuff and start setting up the tiny house. Okay, first things first, my boxes were filled with all of the stuff. These are the first things that I took out. We're going to be putting the silverware up in the top drawer, so I'm going to be putting these longer things in the second drawer. Again, if they need to cook, they have these things to put over their containers or their dishes if they want to put it in the fridge. If they have a container they need to take with and they don't want something to spill, they could use this. I've got baggies if they need that. Right now, we're not going to open them. I want to see if the first guests use it. If not, then we'll see exactly when they get used and how often they get used. This will determine if I replace those things more often than not, or maybe just eliminate them because people aren't using them. Okay, let's work on dishes. So I did get 4 of each of the dishes. I'm also going to go ahead and put these in the drawer. Coffee station right now. I do have these 2 cooking things that we're going to be putting just right here in the cabinet for them. Okay, in the mobile home, I have already put together this little cubby full of creamers and sugars. It's got all 7 of the sugars in there that I purchased, and it has all 3 of the creamers. We're going to be putting this next to the coffee station, and this should be plenty enough for them to flavor their coffee with. I will also have tea available up in the cabinet, so I've got like a variety of tea. And then with that, I will put honey and lemon up in the cabinet, just in case they want to use any of those. I did also get some individual packets, just in case they don't want to make a full pot. Now, this is for a 12-cup serving, and this is only a 5-cup pot. They could actually use 2 or 3 batches out of this little thing, and if they don't, again, they could use just the 1 single packet. I also have these that we're going to put in there, but we aren't going to put all of them in there. Probably just do something like that, just so they don't get dirty or anything. I'll just keep the rest of them in here. I have a little miniature salt and pepper These are easily replaceable and can't really do much to them. They're good enough. I have them for my mobile home over there. Next thing I did, I bought a couple of these from the Dollar General and also bought some of these little things, or I might have had them, but I separated mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, and jelly. We're gonna be putting these in the fridge just in case they need to use it on their cooking or a sandwich they brought back, or just if they need it, but it's there. Now I do have these 2 ice trays. I am going to be filling them with the Berkey water that's in my house because this is smelling like egg water right now and I don't want to fill these and have them have egg water ice. I'm going to be using the Berkey filtered water, and then we also got this that we're going to be putting in the freezer to hold the ice cubes. Now on the Airbnb group that I'm in, it does recommend that the guests collect their towels and put it in a designated laundry basket. So I do have a laundry basket that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be putting it in this section right here. The guests can gather their towels, their used towels, and then I can just take those and wash them and then replace the towels and bedding with new stuff. There is toilet paper there already, but I'm going to put another one inside the cabinet. I also have a little basket of feminine products for if women need to use them. I know if I was staying in an Airbnb, I forgot to bring feminine products. I would like there to be feminine products there just in case of an emergency and I wouldn't have to go out. We're just going to put a few in here, and just in case the women need them, they have them. Now we're going to set out our little toiletries. We're going to be putting them inside the shower. I also have the 2 bars of soap that we're going to be putting in there. I'll probably just put them up here. And then we have the lotion that we're going to be putting on the side of the sink. I already do have soap here. They don't need anything in here, but they can put their things in here. I do have a makeup tray that I'm going to be putting in here just in case they want to sort their makeup. So that will be empty for them to use. Now I do have a welcome basket that consists of a couple waters. I do have 4 little snacks in there. I give a half a dozen eggs with my Tiny Dreamer Homestead stamper on it. I also stuck a sample of one of my herbal teas from my herbal business. So we're going to be putting these in this basket. This basket is for the guests so they can take it home. I'm going to be leaving this little basket on the counter. I'll be putting the welcome book right in front of it. I'll also put the feedback card and a thank you card, either with the welcome basket or with the welcome book. I did already fill the cabinet underneath the sink with some cooking and cleaning items. All of these are washed and ready for the guests to use if they need to. Now it's time to set up the Netflix. I need to connect it to my internet in the mobile home, and then we need to log out of my account from my mobile home, and the guests are going to have access to whatever they want on Netflix. There's also a kid station, and I also put a guest station. So that was setting up my tiny house to be an Airbnb. I am so ready for this to happen, and I think the house looks amazing. Although I'm not living in it right now, I cannot wait to move back in because it looks beautiful without all my stuff in here. I really hope that guests love it as much as I do. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification each time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Okay, now we're going to set up my Netflix, the cable. Don't put that. So a couple videos ago, I did do a video on stocking my house for an Airbnb. Don't put any of this. Well, today we're going to be going in my tiny house and actually setting up everything that the guests are going to need. They're going to, don't put any of this. Most of you guys know I am going to be listing it soon, and